This is my very first time I've ever completed a Rubik's Cube without help of any kind. So I am going to give it a shot and, you know, but yeah, if I get 1,000 or more views on this video, I'll make a guide on how to complete a Rubik's Cube. Because by the time I get 1,000 views, I'll be pretty good at it, hopefully. So, just sit back, enjoy the video. It might take a little while, I'm hoping it won't, but it probably will. It should take about 5 minutes, but you're gonna know how long it takes, because all you have to do is look at the time. But I have no clue how long it's gonna take yet. So, oh, and by the way, I'm not a nerd. It didn't take me long to learn this. It's really not that hard. It seems like super hard, but if you get a good guide, you'll know how to do it pretty easily. And if you have a lot of common sense, and you know how it works, and you have good memory, you shouldn't have much problems with this. Sorry it's taking a while. Most professionals would have it done by now. By now you're probably getting bored, and I'm very sorry about that. There's nothing I can do about your bored. bam, there it is, all completed for the first time. I am so happy I actually got this. Dude, thanks for watching, guys. This is awesome. I cannot believe this. So cool.